Well, this might be a slight teeny itty bit of a problem. I'm supposed to be filming a video in my office right now, and there's just like 5 fire trucks sitting outside. I mean, I don't think there's no smoke coming out of the roof, and they don't seem like a huge rush. Someone probably just blew up their microwave or something. Good start to the day. I think what we established here is that we have a floor problem, not a table problem. Hey guys, what is up? We are back in another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am wearing my Devin Hester jersey today. I don't know why. I don't really watch a lot of football, but the football that I used to watch, I absolutely love Devin Hester because he was such a cool player. Then I got this at a thrift store for like $8. I think it's legit too. I'm not 100% sure, but I've been told I think it's legit. Okay, I have some important news that I need to crouch down and talk to you guys about. I am moving to a new city next month. That's right, we're getting out of Winnipeg. We are moving somewhere. We're moving to a huge city, population over 5 million. That is the only clue I'm going to give you. The videos are going to be amazing there. I have a whole bunch of really cool stuff lined up, and it's going to be good to be back in an energetic place because Winnipeg is... Drop a guess down in the comment section below where I'm going. And trust me, you guys want to turn on post notifications because when I get there, the videos are going to be, wow, just so much fun. I cannot wait to go, but drop a guess down in the comment section. In slightly more minor news, The Office is coming along well. We set up an infinite white background here. This is where we're photographing everything that gets put on tomstefanik.com. Top of the description if you guys want to go check it out. We added a whole bunch of shoes and merch up there this week if you guys would like to look at that, but it's still gonna take a couple weeks to set all of this up, and then I'm leaving, so it's just gonna be Dylan running the spot, but it's getting there, it's getting there. That being said, we have some shoes to unbox. Yeah, as I suspected, someone forgot to take the tinfoil off their Pop-Tart or something. The building is not on fire. I didn't actually buy these from Flight. I would just like to say I didn't actually buy these from Flight Club. I just carried them here in a Flight Club bag from my apartment because I didn't have any, it was just laying around. These just came in today. Good, you can't see my address. I scratched it out and everything, but you can never be too careful. Beautiful, wonderful, happy, amazing. 1 pair. 2 pairs. And 3 pairs. Oops. Okay, these 2 pairs just came in from a acquaintance of mine, I guess, in Calgary who sells me a decent amount of shoes. It's nice finding people in Canada when you're in Canada that sell shoes in Canada because buying them from the States is just stupidly, like you need to pay the import fees and it's expensive. This pair I just bought locally from a Kijiji meetup, which is like Craigslist, except it's Canadian. And these have been sitting in my apartment for the past 4 days, but I was waiting until these got in and I got really freaked out. And I was sort of unsure if these were going to be in time because I absolutely needed to get them this week. And thankfully they are here. I got them this week. I'm gonna open these up really quick, but more importantly, after I open all of these up, I'm going to explain to you why I purchased all 3 of these. First pair, right? Oh wow, oh my God. What the heck? Can you guys see the amount of glitter on these? Oh wow. Look at the amount of glitter on these. Jeez, how do you get it? And there's like none on this shoe. This one's perfectly fine. Jeez, there's so much, wow. One sec, there's an emergency or something. That street is the fire route right there, so like literally Literally every time there's an ambulance or a fire truck or anything, it's right by our window. Next, we have these. Wow, these are glittery as well. Wow, there's so much glitter on these. I'm gonna need to figure out, please tell me how to, in the comment section below, please tell me how to take off the glitter on these, because it is actually insane. Jordan 1 Breads, brand new. I'm trying not to freak out, but I know I've unboxed a pair of these probably 10 times on this channel just because I love this shoe so much. I personally own 3 pairs of these now. I have 2 brand new dead stock, I have the 1 pair that I wear, and now I have this one, which I guess technically for the next few days, this is the 4th pair that I own. These are absolutely brand new dead stock. This is the 2016 pair. Such a nice pair of shoes. Oh, wow. Okay, these ones don't have glitter. The 2015 Chicago Jordan 1s. Brand new dead stock once again. Look at these shoes. A receipt from Finish Line. Does Finish Line still exist? I haven't been to a Finish Line in years. Okay, so here we have it. Jordan 1 Royals, Jordan 1 Chicagos, and Jordan 1 Breads. If you ask me personally, maybe you could argue the black toe Jordan 1s, but these are the 3 classic pairs of Jordan 1s to ever exist. And they're all insanely expensive. These are like $1,500. These are like $1,000. These are like $600. And they're insanely popular and they're very hard to get, and for lots of people it's just out of their budget. Now, as you guys know, I do a mystery box every single month, and last month we did the Dior Jordan 1s, which order 6222 got. Just for you guys that were wondering, we did announce on Instagram. But anyway, I was thinking to myself, how do I beat Dior Jordan 1s? Because I want to do something really crazy in this month's mystery box, and I said to myself, instead of 1 pair of amazingly new Jordan 1s, we'll have 3 pairs of amazingly classic Jordan 1s. So these are all going to be in the mystery box this month. And let me tell you, this month's mystery box is insanely limited compared to the last 2 months. The last 2 months we had expensive shoes and had a lot more boxes. This month we do have some expensive shoes, except the quantity of boxes that we're selling is literally half of what we sold last month. So they are going to sell out very, very, very quick. The mystery boxes are $50. Every single person gets $50 worth of value. Every person gets 2 t-shirts. We have some NBA accessories. We have some sneaker keychains. We have some sneaker cleaner. We have sticker pack. We have sneaker posters. We have sneaker books. We have a whole bunch of good stuff. We have jackets. We have jerseys. We have hoodies. Actually, we have a few Adidas hoodies that are going in this month's boxes for $50 that are amazing. And of course, some people are getting amazingly expensive sneakers, like life-changing Grail sneakers for $50. Someone is going to get these for $50. Someone is going to get these for $50. Someone is going to get these for $50. And these are 3 amazing pairs of shoes. But this is only the start of what we're putting in the boxes for September. This is not even all of it. In the September mystery box, whoa. Oops. We have Nike SBs, which I just threw off the table. We have Gucci slides, the classic, the black and green Gucci slides. I don't know why, but I mean, these are cool. And one of you guys is going to get these for $50. In addition to those 3 classic pairs of Jordan 1s, we have an additional 10 pairs of Jordan 1s. We have some mid-tops. We have the Chicago mid-tops for 2020. We have these mid-tops, and then we have a couple pairs of these right here, which, if you ask me, are absolutely gorgeous. On top of that, we have 3 more pairs of Nike Air High OG Jordan 1s as well. I'm going to keep those colorways a secret because they are very nice. We have brand new Yeezys straight from StockX right here, the Blue Oat 380. So these are gonna be in someone's box for $50. On top of that, I'm gonna be grabbing a couple pairs of Yeezys from the wall right there. We have some 700s and some 350s that are also going to be going into the mystery boxes. We of course have a bunch of other sneakers. We have Nike sportswear, we have Vans, we have Adidas. As I announced earlier, there are going to be 2 pairs of this shoe, the Charles Barkley Air Max 94s, going into the September mystery boxes, as well as a $50 McDonald's gift card so you guys and all of your friends can go buy some Travis Scott meals, because apparently people are obsessing over that. I do not understand it. I know I made a video about it, but I just do not understand it. There are a ton of amazing shoes in the mystery boxes. They're only $50 and the shirts look amazing. The shirt designs this month are amazing. We really upped the quality of the t-shirts, I think, and they are printed on these beautiful t-shirts. We have much requested a new colorway. A new colorway of the ice cream Feel Real t-shirt. This is one of my favorite ones that we've ever done. We also did a really cool one. I love New York. I know you guys love the New York videos. We'll be getting back there soon, but we have a New York Statue of Liberty Feel Real t-shirt. I absolutely love this one. We have a Feel Real comic book t-shirt. These are three of my favorites. We have a bunch of other designs as well that are all going to be in the boxes. We've never done this before, but what we're actually going to do for September, I know people order 2, 3, 4 boxes sometimes. For you guys that order multiple boxes, we're going to be throwing in a complimentary t-shirt. So if you order 2 boxes, we're just gonna give you an extra t-shirt just because, as a thank you for supporting. You don't need to enter any code, you don't need to do anything special. Just if you order 2 boxes on the same order, we won't be able to tell if you order them separately, but 2 boxes on the same order, we'll throw in a complimentary t-shirt just as a thank you for the support. I don't want to ramble on too much because I don't want this to feel like an ad. That's not what it's supposed to be. I just love sharing all of this stuff with you guys, and I can't wait to put these in all of your boxes. Last month, we had this guy get Syracuse dunks. We had, of course, my man in somewhere in Ontario, I forget where, get Jordan 1 Dior's, order 6222. This is my favorite thing that we do on the channel, just being able to give you guys all these awesome shoes. I love seeing people send me pictures of shoes and shoes and shoes and shoes and awesome merch. And some people are just incredible photographers and have taken just beautiful pictures wearing my t-shirts, and it feels so cool to see something that I created on someone's body and them just using their talents to take amazing pictures of it. It's really cool, and I appreciate every single one of you guys that purchases the boxes. They are only $50. It is a great deal. I mean, imagine opening up a box and all of a sudden, boom, you have Chicago Jordan 1s. This is the second time we've put Chicago Jordan 1s in a box. In fact, this guy got Chicago Jordan 1s, I think 3 months ago, for $50. Anyway, if you guys would like to buy it, it's only going to be on sale for the rest of the week. We're going to be cutting off the sales on Sunday. You guys get the gist. Link in the description, top of the description, if you guys would like to purchase one. That being said, I have not had lunch yet, and I am absolutely starving.